JCID Universal Screen S35C, a multi-purpose screen, the artifact for board testing. Meet diverse needs easily. Support 6 MIPI models, include 13, 13 mini, 14, 14 Plus, 15, and 15 Plus. Take 15 Plus as reference. Take out an iPhone 15 Plus and the connection flex cable of the corresponding model. Fasten the connection flex cable with S35C and connect the other end to the motherboard of mobile phone. Boot up the phone and the screen will be lighted up. Light up screens easily ensures quick troubleshooting. Then connect with another model. Quick installation and easy operation. Plug and play. Start your testing journey at once. Enjoy worry-free testing with Universal Screen S35C.